In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find GoDaddy Nameserver info. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to view your current nameservers and where to go if you ever need to update them. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your browser and head to your preferred search engine. Type GoDaddy and click the official GoDaddy website. If you're already signed in, great. If not, log into your account. After you're in, look to the top right of the page and click your profile or username to open the account menu. From that menu, choose My Products. This is your main dashboard for everything you own with GoDaddy. In the Domains section, find the domain you want to work on. If you manage multiple domains, double-check you're selecting the correct one. Click the domain name or the Manage button next to it to open its settings. On the Domains page, look for the DNS option and click it. This opens the DNS Management area, where all domain resolution settings live. Here's where you can view records, but we're going to focus specifically on nameservers. Within DNS Management, locate the Nameservers section or tab and click it. This page displays your current nameservers. If you're using GoDaddy's default setup, you'll see their default nameservers listed. If your DNS is handled by another provider, you'll see custom nameservers instead. Take a moment to copy these if you need to share them with a hosting provider or verify your configuration elsewhere. You can also change nameservers from this same screen. Click the option to change or edit nameservers. You'll usually be offered two choices. Keep the default GoDaddy nameservers or enter your own. If your web host or a DNS service has provided custom nameservers, select the option to use custom entries. Carefully paste each nameserver exactly as given, one per line, with no extra spaces or missing characters, then save your changes and confirm any prompts. A quick word of caution: changing nameservers affects who controls your DNS, which can impact your website, email, and other connected services. Make sure the destination DNS provider already has all the necessary DNS records set up before you switch. After saving, updates can take time to propagate globally, anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours. During that period, some visitors may see the old settings while others see the new ones. And that's it. Go to GoDaddy, sign in, open My Products, choose your domain, click DNS, then nameservers to view or update them confidently.